The annual Chartered Institute of Marketing lecture at the University of Wolverhampton Business School will be presented by Professor Malcolm McDonald on creating market-leading value propositions. Whether you're a member of the CIM, a student, academic, or just have an interest in marketing, you're invited to join us on Wednesday the 10th of October at 5:30 p.m. at the Business School. Malcolm McDonald is one of the UK's leading marketing experts with over 40 books to his name. He is an outstanding speaker with a wicked sense of humour and will show us how a compelling value proposition can differentiate a brand from its competition if it is meaningful with measurable benefits. My name is Roy Broad and look forward to seeing you at the lecture.